Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how to protect a folder using the htaccess file. But first of all, let's understand what is htaccess. htaccess is a configuration file used by Apache web servers. For example, if you place a htaccess file in your root directory where your website is located, then it will affect your entire website. And if you place it in a content directory, it will affect only that directory. The htaccess file can be used to deny access from specific IP addresses, protect your site with a password, redirect users, prevent directory listing, and more. So, to show you how to protect a specific folder using the htaccess file, I will switch to my computer and connect to my website using FTP. Now, my website is located in the htdocs folder. So I will open the folder, and here you can see all the files. Okay, now let's create the folder which I want to protect. To do that, use right click and select create directory, and put the name for the directory. In my case, I will put protect and click OK. Now you need to open the directory and create some files here. So I will create a new file called .htaccess. The dot means that it's a hidden file, and click OK. Once done with that, I will create another file called ABC. This ABC file will be used to store the username and the password, which I will use to access the folder. So to create the username and the password, I will use a website called htaccesstools.com/htpasswd generator and put the username John and the password, and then click create htpasswd file, and here you will see the username and the password, which is encrypted. Now you need to copy the text and go back to FileZilla and open the ABC file by using right click and go to view edit and paste the text which contains the username and the password. Once you have pasted the text, go and open the htaccess file by clicking view edit and put the following code. Now here we need to make one change, which is the authentication user file. So this is the path to the ABC file which I have created, and this is the username from my web hosting account. In your case, this information will be different, so make sure to use the right username and path, and then use Ctrl+S to save the htaccess and the ABC file. Okay, now let's open the Chrome web browser and put my web address /protect, which is the protected folder, and press enter. And you can see the login box has appeared where I need to put the username and the password to access the folder. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.